Hey guys, this is John Watts, consumer protection lawyer, and I just got out of court and something occurred to me. And this is because I don't know if I won or lost. And so the question is, how do you deal with going to court or waiting on an order when you may lose? Well, the bottom line is you just have to accept it. You know, if you can resolve a case, that's the beauty of resolving a case. There's so many cases resolved on Sunday night or Monday morning when there's a jury trial, because that sort of focuses the mind for everybody. Defendant starts thinking, what if we lose? Plaintiff thinks, what if we lose? And that often promotes settlement. But like the case I was on today, I think I'll be okay on it. But again, I don't wear the black robes. I'll find out from the judge. But if you cannot resolve the case, then you just have to this may sound weird, but just sort of force yourself to have peace of mind about it and say, you know what? I'm going to go do the best I can, whether you're doing this on your own, whether you're a lawyer, and live with that result. And if it's great, that's wonderful. Figure out, can the other side appeal it? Can they change it? If it's bad, it's no fun. Nobody likes to lose. And the only people that have never lost are people that have never tried a case or never had a hearing or whatever the situation may be. Nobody is perfect. And even if you're the perfect lawyer, no judge is perfect. You may lose when you should have won. And so the point is, if you lose, you say, all right, let me figure out the options. Can I get the judge to change his or her mind? Can I appeal? Can we settle? What can we do? And so again, it's no fun losing, but if you're going to go to court, and now I'm speaking particularly for those of you that are wanting to do things on your own, say you're sued by a debt buyer and you're wanting to handle that case on your own, you have to understand when you're in court, there may be some little detail that the whole case turns on and the judge rules against you. It may be unfair. And while we would love for judges to be totally fair, 100% accurate all times, we can just look at sports and see that that's not the case. I mean, umpires, referees, they make bad calls. Okay, judges make bad calls. And I'm sure there are a few that are doing it intentionally, but I'll say this, the ones that have, over my 26 years now of handling cases in court, and I have lost. But I've never looked back and said, you know, I think that judge was crooked or that judge was just totally doing that intentionally. I think judges got them wrong sometimes, and frankly, sometimes they were right. But you just have to go in understanding you could lose and be willing to accept that, willing to live with that. And that's just the cost of the ticket to get into the game of trying a case, whether it's a little case, whether it's a big case. Somebody's going to win, somebody's going to lose, and you have to be willing and be able to accept loss to be able to then freely go in there and try your case and do the best you can, whether it's a trial, whether it's a summary judgment hearing, whatever kind of hearing it is. If it's adversarial, your opponent wants one thing, you want something else, you have to say, can I live with the consequences? And yes, you can live with the consequences. So, okay, now I've put that aside. Now let me focus on doing the best I can and doing everything that I can honorably and legitimately to win. So, hope that that's helpful to you, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Okay, have a good one. Bye-bye.